Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change the screen recording frame rate to 60 frames per second in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. So where to look for our screen record options and how to change our resolution. First of all, we need to access settings. In settings, then we are going to open display options menu, and here at the bottom we have screen record. In here we are interested in this in this section right here. So right now we have chosen the dynamic option, but if you want to manually set a frame rate, we can do it from here. So let's leave it at 60. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.